Morning, everybody. Welcome to the Inside Edge. It's Wednesday, September 17th. And it probably costs about the same amount of money for a campaign to send a lawyer to court on a matter involving a gubernatorial race as it does for one involving a small town school board seat. And that's the problem. There are fixed costs. A lawyer has to draft a complaint, a brief, do orders, maybe a paralegal or an investigator loops in. You pay for process servers, reply briefs, depositions. Judges make lawyers drive to court, which means billable travel time and waiting time. Multiple appearances. When the judge is late, it happens. The client pays for the lawyer to sit around. Just a couple of years ago, I heard a Burlington County judge apologize for being an hour late to a hearing, but he explained that he was having a really good time at lunch with his colleagues and they lost track of time. C'est la vie. There are appeals. Those bring more briefs, more transcripts, more bills. In Park Ridge, with a population of less than 9,000, a school board recall case is now in the appellate division. What started out to be a $500 campaign, suddenly a $10,000 headache. And in Hillside, where a clerk bounced a candidate for being 7 signatures short, Judge John Deitch reinstated the candidate on the ballot, but he didn't award her the legal fees that she spent. So she's back on the ballot, but her campaign's already in debt to a lawyer, and she's behind on her campaign time. You say, it's time lost. It's money lost. Roselle, everybody, that's even worse. The appellate division is expected to rule today, but Johnny Screw-Up turned 2 shoestring campaigns into a court process that's going to run into the tens of thousands of dollars. 2 years ago in Parsippany, there was a council race in a town of about 56,000 people. It came down to 1 vote. Some judges waive recount fees in races that type, but not Judge Stuart Minkowitz. He's a stickler, and he charged Republicans more than $1,000 just to recount that election. New Jersey's got recount rules that allow a reimbursement of the refund if the totals change significantly, but they don't get reimbursed for the cost of the lawyers. That's always on the candidate, win or lose. And I look at Rockaway Township. The clerk simply forgot to count votes in a county committee race, and the lone candidate had to spend almost $1,000 of his own money just to certify himself as the winner in an uncontested election. And Minkowitz denied his request for reimbursement. Meanwhile, the township attorney who defended the blunderer got thousands of dollars. And here's the kicker. A petition challenge for governor or U.S. Senate, Congress, members of the legislature, that costs nothing. Zero. Those go to administrative law judges. There's not even a filing fee. There's no need for lawyers. People with election challenges litigate it themselves. But you drop down to county office, municipal, school board, fire commissioner, suddenly you're in superior court and the meter starts running in the races that actually cost the least. So here's the question that's worth asking. Are New Jersey judges unnecessarily driving up the cost of running for office? Or, is that just the price of admission to politics in New Jersey? That's all I have for today, everybody. Thanks for listening. Don't forget the gubernatorial debate is coming up on Sunday, September 21st at 7 p.m.